Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Motorola Signature. So first, what you guys want to do is, if you are using USB-C headphones, then make sure that you clean the charging port. So this is very important because dust can block the connection, and as you guys know, of course, we got it at the bottom. So it's right here. I would recommend cleaning it with a soft brush because it does the job the best. Definitely the best option out there. And what you guys want to do next is restart your phone. So just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now tap restart and the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what you guys want to do is test another pair of headphones. So if the first one is still not working, then try another one and see if that's an overall issue or it's just dependent on the pair. So if the second one is working, but the first one isn't, then you have a pretty clear answer of what happened. What you guys want to do next is go over and update your phone software. So this also goes for the Bluetooth headphones. So now we're moving on. We're going to start off with checking the software updates first. So scroll down until you see system updates and here click check for updates. As you guys can see, it's finishing an update. So when the update is complete, they will basically notify me. So I am already on the latest version, but if you're not and you have a button to update, then make sure to do that because it's very important to keep up with the latest version. Because as you guys know, older versions tend to have a lot of glitches and newer versions just fix them. So make sure you're on the latest one. Now, what you guys want to do next is go over and turn the Bluetooth off and on. Go to connected devices right up top, select connection preferences, and then click on Bluetooth, the first option. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned off and turned on. So I'll do that again. Now my Bluetooth is turned on, and if your headphones are just not accessible, make sure to forget them and then repair them again. So the pairing process is different because there's a lot of headphones out there on the market. So make sure to forget them and repair them. Now after that, make sure that you charge them fully, because once I've had a situation where my headphones were at like 60 or 70% and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100, then they connected without any issues. So make sure to charge them up. Now make sure to avoid device interference. It's very important because if you do not, then some other device can connect to your headphones faster, and that's what you do not want. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.